Place cotton pads all around the rim of a glass, and you'll see something perfect for you. Prepare a few pads in a glass, then arrange the pads so they overlap slightly and cover the entire rim. Add a second layer by shifting the pads between the first ones. Place a small plate on top of the glass, hold it, turn the glass over, and lift it slowly so the pads remain on the plate and form a rose shape. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil or spray it with perfume. Place it in the bathroom or on a shelf in the living room. Your home will smell better than ever, and this simple cotton pad flower works beautifully as a small decorative scent. You need this in your home. This simple trick will not only make your space smell amazing, but also create a unique atmosphere. Take a large orange and cut it the way I show, then remove all the pulp, leaving only the peel. The peel is full of natural essential oils with refreshing and relaxing properties. Add 3 tablespoons of coffee inside. Its strong aroma neutralizes unpleasant odors, boosts energy, and lifts your mood. Also add a spoonful of cinnamon. Cinnamon has antibacterial and antifungal properties, and its warm, spicy scent is stimulating. A splash of fabric softener gives the room a long-lasting fresh fragrance that lasts much longer than regular air fresheners. Next, place a piece of hot charcoal inside or light it. It acts as a heat source and helps release the full aroma of the ingredients. Finally, close the orange with the cut-off top. This natural air freshener will fill your home with the wonderful scent of coffee and citrus, creating an atmosphere of relaxation and freshness. On top of that, the combination of these ingredients keeps insects away, since they dislike both citrus and coffee. Your home will smell beautiful, stay bug-free, and be full of positive energy. Hang a cinnamon stick on a tree, on a doorknob, in a window, on the balcony, near your living room plants, or on a kitchen shelf. This simple trick is a summertime essential. Take cinnamon sticks and crush them. Toss them into a grinder and blend into a fine powder. Pour the powder into a bowl. Prepare about 500 milliliters of lukewarm water and add 2 teaspoons of the ground cinnamon. Add a pinch of nettle. It's a natural booster for the mixture's effectiveness. Let everything sit for an hour. After that, strain it through a sieve and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Done. Use this natural spray on the leaves of your indoor, balcony, or garden plants. The second method is even simpler, but just as effective. Take a cinnamon stick and a piece of string. Thread the string through the hole in the center of the stick. Pull it through the other side and tie it tightly with a double knot. That's it. Now you can hang this cinnamon charm anywhere you like. On a tree, a doorknob, in a window, on a balcony, by a flower pot, in the kitchen, or even in your pantry. It looks harmless, but it works great. Ants, mosquitoes, flies, cockroaches, aphids, and even mice and rats stay far away from these spots. These are simple, inexpensive, and natural ways to keep unwanted guests away. My apartment smells so beautifully that you can even smell it in the hallway. It's a scent of cleanliness and flowers. No store-bought diffuser is as effective. Want your home to smell exceptionally beautiful too? All you need is 1 small container. Pour ordinary baking soda into it. Add 2 tablespoons of these little balls. They are scented laundry pearls. They have an extraordinary aroma. Mix them with the soda in the container. Take some baby oil and pour 2 tablespoons into the container. Mix everything again. The oil will activate the pearls and release their scent. Now you can add another ingredient. If you have your favorite essential oil, you can add a few drops to your homemade diffuser. But you can also add a few cloves instead, place them on top, or arrange them in a circle as I do. A few pieces are enough. Finally, add the sticks. Now, the whole thing looks beautiful. You can place such a diffuser anywhere you like. You'll feel like you're in a real spa. You'll always have a fragrant home. When the diffuser stops working, just make another one. Its cost is not high, but the effect is amazing. This trick makes my home smell wonderfully. Everyone who visits me asks about the scent. I don't buy it in the store. I make it myself. I heat a fork over a candle. Then, I take a regular disposable plastic box. I use the fork to make holes in it. There must be a lot of them. The hot fork melts them. That's why it's the fastest way. When the lid is full of holes, I remove it from the box. I pour salt into its interior. Ordinary. The cheapest kitchen salt will be perfect. It can be coarse-grained, it has cleansing and moisture-absorbing properties. Let me know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Then I pour a teaspoon of fabric softener into it. It should have a pleasant floral scent. Mix it all together so the salt is colored by the fabric softener. Prepare a handful of cloves. Insert them around at equal intervals. You can create nice patterns that will be pleasing to the eye. Place such a box in the bathroom or wardrobe. A pleasant fragrance will emanate from it. Everyone will ask what smells so beautiful. Additionally, it absorbs excess moisture. Therefore, it works great for a shoe cabinet. The scent of fabric softener and cloves will be intense, so it will also work perfectly in the bathroom. Your home will smell for 3 days and the 3 nights. Even the neighbors will catch a whiff of it. To prepare these fragrant bowls, we need 3 lemons. Cut off the end of the citrus so it can stand. Then, cut it into quarters without slicing all the way through. Prepare each lemon differently, and each one will have a different purpose for a specific room in the house. Lay out the first fruit and place it in a bowl. Sprinkle it generously with salt. The next ingredient will be rubbing alcohol. Pour in 1 teaspoon. It acts as a carrier of the scent and is essential for preparing the first mixture. Let us know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Next, prepare the second lemon. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into it. It has moisture-absorbing properties. Take your favorite laundry detergent. Pour 1/3 of the cap onto the salt and the lemon. Their scents will mix, creating a pleasant aroma of fresh laundry. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you which bowl to place in each room for the best effect. Sprinkle salt on the 3rd lemon as well. Then, take a few cloves. They have an intense scent with practical applications. Place the lemon with cloves near the entrance doors and on the terrace. It will repel insects, flies, and pests thanks to its strong scent. Additionally, it smells delightful. Put the bowl with laundry detergent in the bathroom. Thanks to it, a pleasant scent of fresh laundry will linger for 3 days. It can replace air freshener spray. Finale. Place the last bowl next to the bed. Citrus aromatherapy aids in falling asleep. The scent of citrus positively affects the brain, potentially improving concentration. Moreover, lemon essential oil supports the treatment of anxiety and depressive symptoms. Preparing these bowls is easy, and they have a beautiful scent with practical applications in the home.